best radio station in 7 continents of the world.
This is Bowie FM at 82.12 megahertz. Ikwakusiba television yamahete.
Thabela Salmanani Molweni Bonjunda Realocha. This is your favorite and cherishable host, the one and only Bowie, the Pioneer of Ages. Welcome to my beloved Barata Sir King Novelist of England, the poem was Santin Bona, the silent Shakespeare for simplicity. It is the very best and most loved radio station in 7 continents of the world. It can only be the enjoyable Bowie FM at 82.12 megahertz. Kare ekwa siba tshedimošo ya magete. Halala baratani, halala balibali, halala mjolo, halala. Ke ka lethobelelo go le go le tlišetša Valentine's edition segment ya mafelelo. Kgweding ye ya February ka ge re tsene go lona letšatši le la Valentine's Day. Countdown e fedile. E re pele ke tšwela pele ke go fe mmino o mobotse wa go tšwa go Visionary Ari movie.
Karikili Lazaro Wamfalerato Wanteja kabotlalo Osabishitše baloi Balamunwana letsogo Akena ledihlo as I play the song.
What's up, King? Emanyano wena. Gape tšediso di nyaka o se na le di moods. Because o tlo no dula o kgopišega. And we don't need negative energy today. Ka gobane ke letšatši la go keteka lerato. Because love is a beautiful thing to have, to receive, and to give. Especially when you have a good and meaningful relationship with your dearest and loved one. You always have to be joyful to show that your relationship is healthy and beneficial. More especially ge motho wa gago a go kgathalela. O ska no dula o balabala ka gore re tlo go sola. Mara ga re da re mo tabeng ya gore a rataneng ka go felelela le ka magonthe. That is today's topic in quick and direct translation is let us love each other in fullness and with honesty. There is no time for hatred. Ga go na le nako ya lehloyo ba re yo a seng shapo a be wese rena re ja joy ebile re gama ke happiness. Question of the day ere: where are you celebrating your Valentine's Day and doing what? With whom? Send your voice notes on to this number 073 666 8380 073 666 8380. You can leave a comment and to also make a phone call as well. Here's a caller. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks.
I'm well.
Well, this is Nicole. I'm currently in Portugal, and I'm with my boyfriend at this moment. We're going for a picnic, intimate session. Yeah, so we enjoyed your Valentine's edition segment, and hopefully we'll get to be part of your shows as time goes by. Thank you.
All right. Glad to hear that. Let's see if there's another caller. Hey, hola. Give me that. It's bad. All right. Let me thank you all for being part of our show and for the support you kept on showing to me and the radio station. Before I leave, a big shout out to Buledi Waka or Sijebo Seufilon Biaka. I love you so much, dear. And I'm leaving you with a banger from Kapsa the Small and DJ Maporisa featuring Ami Faku, Bare Asibe Happy. Do enjoy, loads of love from your favorite radio host. Until we meet again in May, adios.
Abaphansi bavumile ukuba sifanelene thina sobabini masikunye iyajabula jabula